What's up guys, Crypto here. So on today's video, I'll be talking about HextraCoin and how I earn $200 every single day. So before we get started, I'll be giving away $100 every single week. So if you guys want to know how, just stay tuned to the end of this video. So what is HextraCoin? So basically HextraCoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, something like Bitcoin, but the only difference from it is that you deposit your Bitcoin to the platform and then you exchange it with their currency, which is HextraCoin, and then from there you invest back to their platform. From here you guys can see the dashboard for HextraCoin platform. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to sign up for free. So I will leave a link down below, so if you guys want to sign up. So once you sign up, you can see the dashboard here, and next thing that you want to do is that you want to deposit your Bitcoin to your wallet. So go to the wallet and then you want to press deposit Bitcoin here, and then copy the address and you want to send your Bitcoin to this address, which is your Bitcoin wallet in the HextraCoin platform. So let's go to your wallet here and then just key in the address and then key in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer to your HextraCoin platform. Let's say 1, and then just press send. So once it is transacted, you want to go to your exchange here and you want to exchange Bitcoin to HextraCoin. So key in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to spend to purchase HextraCoin. Let's say you want to purchase all, just key in all and then key in your 2FA code if you have, and then create an order. So once your order is being placed, just wait till you receive your HextraCoin here. And what you want to do next is go to your lending platform. So this is the lending platform. You guys can see your balance over here for HextraCoin, your Bitcoin balance over here. And for the USD is when you get your daily payout from the interest rate. And once you receive your daily payout, you can transfer it to HextraCoin or Bitcoin, and then you can withdraw it straight away. Alright, with that being said, let me get started and show you how you can invest in the platform straight. So once you receive your HextraCoin in your HextraCoin wallet here, all you need to do is take note on which investment plan that you want to make. So they have a few investment plans here depending on how big your investment is. So for an investment of $100 to $1,000, you will have the normal volatility software interest, which is this, as you guys can see, for the past 6 days, and which is up to 48% per month. But if you make an investment above $1,000, you can see that you'll be getting an additional 0.15% daily, and on top of that, you'll be receiving your capital back earlier. And the bigger the investment that you make, for example, my 10,000 investment here, you'll be getting an additional of 0.30% daily on top of the volatility software interest, and you'll be getting back your capital in 99 days, which is way faster than the initial small investment. But with that being said, do your own due diligence and make sure do your own self research before you make a bigger investment. But if you are comfortable with it, then go ahead. Alright, once you made an investment with the platform, you can see your investment over here and the number of days that you invested in the platform and the daily earnings and the total earnings that you have made in the platform. So on the right side, you can see a gauge whereby when it turns to green, it means that you are about to receive your daily payout for today. So in a matter of minutes or within an hour, you will receive your daily payout. Alright, lastly, I will just calculate with you guys if I were to invest $4,000 in HextraCoin platform and how much earnings I will be getting after I receive my capital back. So for a $4,000 investment, I'll be getting an additional of 0.15% daily on top of the interest rate, and I'll be receiving my capital back in 179 days. So they have a earning calculator over here. So just type 4,000 real quick and then the time length of 179 days and just press calculate. So as you guys can see here, my total profit will be $9,952 and the return of investment will be 248.8%, and my profit with principal will be $13,952. That is included with my initial investment, which is the $4,000. So within 6 months, I'll be receiving a profit of 10,000 US dollars, and on top of that, I'll be receiving my initial investment. So I think that's pretty insane, even for cryptocurrency, because you'll be receiving daily payouts every single day, and on top of that, you will be receiving your capital back after the contract is fulfilled. Also, if you guys can see from here, they have a total visits of 6.6 million on their website itself, up by 155.5% compared to the past month, and I think it will have a great support for 2018. So that's all for today's video. So if you guys want to win $100 worth of HextraCoin every single week, all you guys gotta do is be subscribed on my social media, sign up on HextraCoin on the link down below, and follow the last step on my latest Instagram post. And if you guys have any questions regarding about cryptocurrency, please leave a comment down below. And that's all for today. I will see you guys on the next video. Happy New Year and peace out.